Hey guys, welcome back. Doing something a little different tonight. We're on inside only, and only because I found a recipe on Facebook. It's by Mindy's Cooking Obsession, and it's a Mexican taco chili. And I've never done it before. It sounds good, and I want to try it for the very first time, and just thought I'd bring you along. So, something a little different. I haven't done this at all. So, come and join me, and let's take a look at what we're fixing here. Alright guys, for our list of ingredients, I just got a couple pounds. This is a dry-aged ground beef from Porter Road, 2 pounds of it. I got a packet of ranch style, restaurant style dressing, ranch, medium onion, can of rotel. This is some Mexican style or southwestern style some black beans, some chili beans, and also some some hatch green chilies, and a couple ounces of, or a couple tablespoons of just some taco seasoning. You can just use a packet. I just happen to have this taco seasoning with less sodium here on hand, so we're going to be using that. And that's it, guys. Let's get this thing going. Guys, I'm going to start just by chopping up this old onion here. Guys, I'm gonna come on in here. We're gonna throw this ground beef on in the pot and get it start browning up. Break it up a little bit. We're also gonna get these onions on in here, let them start cooking up as well. After about 8 or 10 minutes, ground beef is browned, onions are pretty translucent. Let's get this drained off. Alright guys, let's build this taco chili here. I just got my taco seasoning straight on in. Our ranch dressing mix. One can of chili beans. We drained and rinsed those black beans. Got our Mexican style corn here. I left this out of my preview, but I need a can of diced tomatoes as well. And 1 can of rotel. And let's not forget our can of, I got diced green chilies. They'll be just fine in there. Alright guys, let's give this a good mix. Are you guys as excited as I am? Guys, we're going to bring this on up to a little bit of a boil. I'm going to let this simmer for a good, at least a half hour. If I can make them wait, I'll let it go a good hour. Let everything fall in love here. We'll just keep stirring this occasionally. We'll check back at dinner time, folks. Oh my goodness, guys. This thing has been simmering for about, almost an hour. And my kitchen has just filled up with the smell of goodness. And I cannot wait to taste this. Mama did taste it. I did not want to taste it yet. So Mama kind of got the stamp of approval from her. So guys, let me feed my family, and I'll come back and get us a bowl, and we'll do a taste test together. See how Cindy's Mexican taco chili goes over. Alright, let's get in here, guys. Smells amazing. I like to come in here with a little bit of cheese. These are some little Santa Fe style tortilla strips. Let's get some love on in here with that. And I just can't help but throw a little dab of sour cream right there. You look at that. Hey guys, I cannot wait. I'm gonna come in here with no sides or nothing right here. I just want to taste it as it is. My family's already eaten it. I got the seal of approval from them. Let's go in. Holy crap, that's good. That is really good. Wow. That is so good. I'm going in again. Oh wow. That is Mindy's cooking obsession. That's where I got this recipe. I made it. I didn't really change anything in this. I almost added some extra seasoning. I did not. I cooked it straight up from the recipe. I encourage you. Guys, I'm not going to put the ingredients down below because it's not my recipe. This is Mindy's recipe. I'm going to put a link to her page where you can print this same recipe that I did. When you go there, if you can find the ways, comments there, let her know I sent you. But Mindy, great recipe. This is delicious. I'm going to get over here, sit down and finish this with my family. So guys, thank you as always. It's the time just changed. Daylight savings is now over and it's actually already dark outside. So, but it's not going to stop us. We're going to grill outside as we can. But I really wanted to do this recipe, and being the first time, I decided to bring you along for it. So guys, please subscribe to us if you haven't already. Hit that like button. That helps us out a lot. Hit that bell. It'll notify you every time we post a new video. So guys, until next time, we will see you on the next cook. God bless you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
You're too slow. Why are you still recording? Hi.
Hit that cup.
Hi.
Say hi. That's Ethan. Say hi, Ethan.
Hi.
Go sit down and eat.
No, I don't want to eat.